Hi there everybody! Now in this video, pag-uusapan natin ang bagong offering ng MET Review Center para sa mga kukuha ng board exam for teachers. So we call this the MET HYFLEX program. First things first, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng HYFLEX? Well, HYFLEX is a combination of two words, hybrid and flexible. Simply put, it means that the students would have options on how they want to learn. May it be face-to-face or online. And the truth is, hindi naman na siya bago sa field of education. Marami na mga schools and universities ang gumagamit nito. May it be here in the Philippines or in other parts of the world. And because MET is a trailblazer in the review industry, I am proud to say na ang MET ang unang gagamit ng ganitong konsepto. In our MET HYFLEX program, meron tayong dalawang strands. Ang una ay ang face-to-face at ang pangalawa ay ang online. Ang aming face-to-face program ay tinatawag naming high-intensity mentoring. Pag ito ang pipiliin mo, ibig sabihin, a-attend ka ng face-to-face lectures. Ito ay ginaganap tuwing Sabado at Linggo, kung saan ang bawat subject ay merong 8 hours. Kumbaga, go to where learning is. So ang pinakamahalagang tanong, magkano? Well, for our MET HYFLEX face-to-face program, ang price niya is 7,500. Bukod sa lectures, marami pa siyang kasamang mga materials. Unang-una, ang bagong-bagong edition ng MET Reviewer Book. Pangalawa, Supplemental Handouts. At pangatlo, practice tests. The second strand is MET's HYFLEX online program. We call this high flexibility learning. And since online siya, you'll never need to leave the comforts of your home. Ang mga lectures ay magaganap weeknights. And this online program will be using two modalities, asynchronous and synchronous. Asynchronous meaning you'll be accomplishing your tasks independently, and synchronous meaning you would meet your lecturers via Zoom. Kumbaga, learning goes to where you are. For only 6,500 pesos, kasama na siya ng lectures, ang bagong edition ng aming reviewer book, supplemental handouts, practice tests, at syempre, ang MET mobile app. Kaya naman sa mga kukuha ng board exam for teachers sa September 2022, sana po ay makasama namin kayo sa MET HYFLEX Review Program. Ang start po ng review season ay sa May 15, 2022. And for more information, you may check out our social media platforms. On Facebook, MET Review Center. On Instagram, MET Review Center. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, MET Review Center. Or visit our website, www.metreviewcenter.com. Pwede rin, tawagan nyo kami. Sa mga taga Cebu, please dial 032-261-8049 or 0928-522-1243. At sa mga taga Manila, 0917-560-3273.